Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Suburban. Today I'm going to show you to add windshield wiper fluid. So first you want to open your hood, and then from here on your driver's side you should find this symbol on a cap. This is your windshield wiper reservoir, and from here you just pop this open, and then with your jug of wiper fluid you can just pour straight into here. You can fill all the way to the top if you wish, or somewhere a little lower, but this will lead down into a bigger reservoir here. But when you're finished, be sure to seal this cap back again so it doesn't splash out and nothing else falls in there. And then also always double check there's no cracks or leaks in this reservoir or the tubes connected to it. One way to check that is once you have filled it, just kind of pay attention under the car to see if you've got a puddle start forming that would be leaking out from somewhere in this system. These sometimes get broken or cracked. It's just little plastic. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.